On November 10th, Rider University burst open its doors to welcome hundreds of new prospective students. At Open House, prospective students can get an inside look at how the Rider community works and learn more about the different majors and programs that Rider has to offer. I spoke with Kathleen Butterfield, Open House coordinator and admissions employee, to get more details about the process that prospective students are taken through at Open House.
So not only can they most importantly get to sit with their prospective college and faculty, but they get everything that they need in order to understand the Rider experience. So taking a tour, getting to see campus, meeting our faculty, eating our campus food because they have to like what they're eating if they're going to come here for 4 years, but also really get to see if Rider is a good fit for the student.
Many different organizations, offices, and clubs set up tables to present prospective students with information. They were also taken on tours around campus, served refreshments, and given meal vouchers for dailies. I met with a current Rider student to ask them about their experience attending Open House.
I remember eating at Dailies, and the food was good, but it's different than how it is now. And I remember the orientation leaders, and they were all peppy and everything. I thought that was cool. I liked that because it made me feel peppy.
Rider staff, current students, and alumni all came together during Open House to show perspectives everything Rider University has to offer. AJ the Bronc even made an appearance to take pictures. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Rider's next Open House.